What is the purpose of complexometric titration in pharmacy? A. To determine the concentration of metal ions in a solution. B. To measure the pH of a solution. C. To identify the presence of organic compounds. D. To evaluate the viscosity of a liquid. The correct answer is A. Complexometric titration is used to determine the concentration of metal ions in a solution. Which of the following is a commonly used metal ion indicator in complexometric titrations? A. Phenolphthalein. B. Eriachrome black TC. Methyl orange. D. Bromethymol blue. The correct answer is B. Eriachrome black T is a commonly used metal ion indicator in complexometric titrations. What is the role of masking agents in complexometric titrations? A. To enhance the color change of the indicator. B. To stabilize the metal ions in solution. C. To neutralize the base used in the titration. D. To increase the reaction rate. The correct answer is B. Masking agents stabilize metal ions in solution by forming less soluble complexes. How is the estimation of magnesium sulfate typically carried out in pharmacy? A. By acid-base titration. B. By complexometric titration. C. By gas chromatography. D. By high-performance liquid chromatography, HPLC. The correct answer is B. The estimation of magnesium sulfate is typically carried out by complexometric titration. Which of the following is a suitable indicator for magnesium sulfate titration? A. Methyl red. B. Eriachrome black T. C. Phenolphthalein. D. Bromethymol blue. The correct answer is B. Eriachrome black T is a suitable indicator for magnesium sulfate titration. What is the primary function of calcium gluconate in pharmacy practice? A. To bind to metal ions. B. To act as a source of calcium supplementation. C. To neutralize acidic solutions. D. To enhance the stability of emulsions. The correct answer is B. Calcium gluconate is used as a source of calcium supplementation. Which method is commonly used for the estimation of calcium gluconate in pharmacy? A. Acid-base titration. B. Complexometric titration. C. Titration with sodium hydroxide. D. Thin layer chromatography, TLC. The correct answer is B. Complexometric titration is commonly used for the estimation of calcium gluconate. What is the purpose of masking agents in the estimation of calcium gluconate? A. To accelerate the reaction rate. B. To assist in color development. C. To prevent interference from other metal ions. D. To reduce the concentration of calcium ions. The correct answer is C. Masking agents are used to prevent interference from other metal ions in the estimation of calcium gluconate. Which of the following is an appropriate demasking agent for calcium ions in complexometric titrations? A. Sodium bicarbonate. B. Potassium chloride. C. EDTA. D. Ammonium nitrate. The correct answer is C. EDTA is an appropriate demasking agent for calcium ions in complexometric titrations. What is the significance of complexometric titration in pharmacy practice? A. To determine the concentration of metal ions. B. To mask metal ions. C. To estimate the volume of the solution. D. To change the pH of the solution. The correct answer is A. Complexometric titration is used to determine the concentration of metal ions in solution through the formation of stable coordination complexes. What is the purpose of demasking agents in complexometric titrations? A. To increase the interference of metal ions. B. To neutralize the solution. C. To remove masking agents. D. To enhance the pH of the solution. The correct answer is C. Demasking agents are used to remove masking agents that have complexed with certain metal ions, allowing for their titration. Which indicator is suitable for the titration of magnesium sulfate in pharmacy practice? A. Area chrome black tea. B. Phenolphthalein. C. Cresol red. D. Mixed indicator. The correct answer is A. Eriachrome black tea is commonly used as an indicator for the titration of magnesium sulfate due to its color change properties. What is the primary function of magnesium sulfate in pharmaceutical formulations? A. To act as a buffering agent. B. To enhance solubility. C. To provide magnesium and sulfate ions. D. To stabilize emulsions. The correct answer is C. Magnesium sulfate provides magnesium and sulfate ions in pharmaceutical formulations, which can have various physiological effects. What is the primary purpose of using masking agents in the estimation of calcium gluconate? A. To enhance color development. B. To prevent the interference of other metal ions. C. To increase the pH of the solution. D. To accelerate the reaction rate. The correct answer is B. Masking agents are used to prevent the interference of other metal ions in the estimation of calcium gluconate, ensuring accurate results. Which chelating agent is commonly used in complexometric titrations for metal ion analysis? A. Sodium chloride. B. EDTA. C. Potassium sulfate. D. Calcium carbonate. The correct answer is B. EDTA ethylene diamine tetracetic acid is a commonly used chelating agent in complexometric titrations for metal ion analysis. What is the significance of complexometric titration in pharmacy practice? A. Determining the concentration of metal ions in pharmaceutical formulations. B. Identifying the color change during a titration. C. Characterizing the shape of a titration curve. D. Measuring the pH of a titration. The correct answer is A. Complexometric titration is commonly used in pharmacy to determine the concentration of metal ions in pharmaceutical formulations. What is the primary function of magnesium sulfate in pharmaceutical formulations? A. Preserving the stability of formulations. B. Enhancing the taste of medications. C. Reducing the solubility of active ingredients. D. Acting as an antioxidant. The correct answer is A. Magnesium sulfate is commonly used in pharmaceutical formulations to preserve the stability of the formulations. What is the primary purpose of using masking agents in the estimation of calcium gluconate? A. To prevent interference from other metal ions during titration. B. To accelerate the rate of the titration reaction. C. To enhance the color change of the indicator. D. To adjust the pH of the solution. The correct answer is A. Masking agents are used to prevent interference from other metal ions during the estimation of calcium gluconate. Which chelating agent is commonly used in complexometric titrations for metal ion analysis? A. Sodium chloride. B. Ethylene diamine tetracetic acid EDTA. Sulfuric acid. D. Hydrochloric acid. The correct answer is B. Ethylene diamine tetracetic acid. EDTA is a commonly used chelating agent in complexometric titrations for metal ion analysis. What is the role of demasking agents in complexometric titrations? A. To mask the metal ions. B. To enhance the color change of the indicator. C. To release metal ions from chelating agents. D. To adjust the pH of the solution. The correct answer is C. Demasking agents are used to release metal ions from chelating agents in complexometric titrations. How is the estimation of calcium gluconate typically carried out in pharmacy? A. By conducting a precipitation reaction. B. Through complexometric titration. C. By measuring the optical rotation of solutions. D. Using gas chromatography. The correct answer is B. The estimation of calcium gluconate is typically carried out through complexometric titration. Which indicator is suitable for magnesium sulfate titration? A. Eriachrome black tea. B. Phenolphthalein. C. Methyl orange. D. Starch. The correct answer is A. Eriachrome black tea is a suitable indicator for magnesium sulfate titration, as it undergoes color changes in the presence of metal ions and forms stable complexes. What is the primary function of calcium gluconate in pharmaceutical formulations? A. To act as a preservative. B. To provide calcium supplementation. C. To stabilize emulsions. D. To enhance drug absorption. The correct answer is B. Calcium gluconate is used in pharmaceutical formulations to provide calcium supplementation, particularly in cases where a deficiency in calcium is observed. What is the purpose of masking agents in the estimation of calcium gluconate? A. To improve color contrast. B. To prevent precipitation reactions. C. To enhance stability. D. To selectively bind with interfering ions. The correct answer is D. Masking agents are used in the estimation of calcium gluconate to selectively bind with interfering ions and prevent them from interfering with the main titration process, ensuring accurate results. Which demasking agent is appropriate for calcium ions in complexometric titrations? A. Sodium thiosulfate. B. Potassium cyanide. C. Sodium citrate. D. Acetic acid. The correct answer is C. Sodium citrate is an appropriate demasking agent for calcium ions in complexometric titrations, as it can release the masked calcium ions from their complexes. What is the definition of complexometric titration in pharmacy practice? A. A type of titration involving the use of a complexing agent to titrate metal ions. B. A method of titration using simple acid-base reactions. C. A technique where titration is performed in complex mixtures. D. A procedure involving titration of complex molecules in pharmaceutical formulations. The correct answer is A. Complexometric titration is a type of titration that involves the use of a complexing agent to titrate metal ions. What is the purpose of demasking agents in complexometric titrations? A. To prevent the analysis of specific metal ions. B. To mask unwanted metal ions. C. To reveal and allow the titration of hidden metal ions. D. To stabilize metal ion complexes. The correct answer is C. Demasking agents in complexometric titrations are used to reveal and allow the titration of hidden metal ions by disrupting the metal complex formation. What is the main function of magnesium sulfate in pharmaceutical formulations? A. Antioxidant. B. Antibiotic. C. Vitamin supplement. D. Electrolyte supplement. The correct answer is D. Magnesium sulfate is commonly used as an electrolyte supplement in pharmaceutical formulations due to its role in various physiological processes. Which method is commonly used for the estimation of calcium gluconate in pharmacy practice? A. Complexometric titration. B. Flame photometry. C. O-visible spectroscopy. D. High-performance liquid chromatography, HPLC. The correct answer is A. Complexometric titration is commonly used for the estimation of calcium gluconate in pharmacy practice due to its ability to accurately determine metal ion concentrations. What is the role of masking agents in the estimation of magnesium sulfate? A. To stabilize magnesium complexes. B. To prevent interference from other metal ions. C. To enhance the color change during titration. D. To accelerate the titration reaction. The correct answer is B. Masking agents in the estimation of magnesium sulfate are used to prevent interference from other metal ions, ensuring accurate titration results.